I'd like to present our report concerning the Indonesia preparation for a simple experiment and spaceship for Asia future. This for people utilization. The proposed simple experiment is the ground-based experiment to study the effect of space environment on the expression of fruit ripening associated gene. As the proposed during the 2005 APRSAF meeting in Fukuoka, Japan proposed offer the little simple experiment less than 5 kilograms as the gene kibo, and then LAPAN and ITB we accepted the offer and proposed a research proposal, and during 2007 there is the feasibility study at ITB and also the preliminary experiment at LAPAN at 2008, and during last year and this year we make the ground-based experiment at JAXA and ITB, and we hope that in the next years there is the possibility for using the SSS or Kibo experiment. This is the previous study at ITB concerning the banana experiment. The objective and rationale of this study is to study the effect of space environment on the expression of fruit ripening associated genes, and the proposal is to improve our knowledge about fruit ripening processes in space and can be applied on future activities such as farming in space. Therefore, more efficient fruit production system and controlled environment, plant growth chamber and greenhouses can be designed. The hypothesis of this proposed experiment is that space environment condition, particularly ethylene accumulation from fruit ripening and oxygen and carbon dioxide, will affect the SCS and ACO genes expression. This is the ethylene synthetic pathway, and the proposed experiment design whether the space environment condition will change the SCS and ACO gene expression profile, and resulting in inhibition or enhancement of fruit ripening still need to be studied, first in ground-based experiment. And to examine the simulation of space condition and Earth gravity condition as control, using the clinostat. The control balloon is placed in the Earth gravity and balloon is placed in 3-dimension clinostat. Here is the procedure of this experiment: the preparing plant material and fruit sample wrapped in plastic or and other envelope, placing the sample on the clinostat condition, and then collecting the fruit finger daily in case of oxygen and carbon dioxide measurement, and then the whole-gene analysis, preparing RNA from each sample for cDNA synthesis and qPCR, and expansive plant enzyme activity analysis and measurement. The preliminary result of this study, we made the condition, the space environment study, and the simple experiment at JAXA at 2007 and 2009, and also the experiment at the ITB 2007 up to now. And we also report the recent progress of this experiment for simulating the space condition of the we developed the clinostat at ATB this about 60% progress of this development, and also we make the gas detection using the facility of LAPAN. We used to detect the oxygen, carbon dioxide fluctuation during the ripening at closed and open chamber. But we need still the ethylene detector. It is difficult to find. The preliminary conclusion that preliminary experiment and some of ground-based experiment have been conducted at ITP and JAXA facility, and the study of gas fluctuation during the process ripening is closed and open chamber is ongoing at the LAPAN, but we need still the ethylene gas detector, and we have developed clinostat. The second report concerning the preparing seats for the space seat for Asia Future. We send two kind of seeds, tamarind, this is about 80 grams, and tomato with 15 grams. The procedure to make this seed, we make the procedure defined or provided by JAXA for the disinfectants, and also the also after that the photosanitary. First, the treatment of this for disinfectant rinse using the antibacterial and antifungal about 15 minutes, and then using the 70% alcohol 5 minutes, and then using the Clorox 20% and 30% is about 5 minutes, and then using sterilized water, and then place the seeds on the sterilized tissue and dry. This for tamarind seed, and the same also for tomato seeds. This the rinse in cold water overnight, and using the Clorox 5% about 5 minutes, and then using the sterilized water, and then place in seed on the sterilized wet tissue, and then dry. And last week we sent the seeds after receiving the phytosanitary certificate as well as the disinfectant treatment from the Office of Quarantine Department of Agriculture, and send the seeds using the EMS. And another the proposed solution, but not yet realized, is I'm waiting for new communication and on data availability concerning the use of the external facility of Kibo. We hope that we, as the presented previously, that there has been some space environment data available for public. Maybe we can use this kind of data for using the analysis of space environment in the satellite orbit. We also need, but we have not found the facility of the external facility for using the detecting the meteorite, and compare with the ground-based radar observation. From my analysis concerning the distribution of the meteorite, distribution and flux of meteor, it seems that there is the effect of solar activity on the distribution of the meteorite. So, if there is facility of the exposed facility of Kibo that can detect the variation of this meteorite, maybe this very useful to such research. We hope in future we can make such analysis. Thank you, and that's all.
Thank you very much. Do you have any comments or questions? Okay, I have a question. You are now talking this is when APRSAF finished.
We hope that this kind of telescope will finish this year. And we hope also Dr. Tako can give the station if he can attend the meeting at ITB to check the telescope, the condition, the recent condition of the telescope.
Yeah, we hope we start the physics study with experiments recently. And also, I have another question that could you tell me the reason why the selecting the seed for the space agents for two seeds, why you choose these two seeds?
Previously, we proposed two kinds. First is the orchid, moon orchid is the special flower of Indonesia, but there is the limitation for the export the endangered species. And the second is price, but there is also restriction for the Japanese import for this price. So we changed to this two kind of seed. Tamarin is the big plant, so we hope that if we distribute the seed to the schools, so maybe this will grow for several years to give the school children what is the kibo and then what is the experiment there. Also the seed, there is no effect of the space environment, but this by growing this seed that has been in the ISS and the kibo gives the special impression for this student. And the second one is tomato. Tomato is just maybe some months they will grow, and the children can follow the growing of this. So this is the reason we send two kind of this seed. One is just short-term growing plant, and the second one is long-term plant.
So you, after the returning the seeds, what your plan is measuring of course, school children's education. What kind of activities do you plan?
Yeah, we hope that after receiving these seeds, we prepare the control seeds, and then the another one that we launch to the ISS, and we distribute both kind of this seed to the children. The main point of these activities, not the experiment of the what the effect of the space environment, because this dry seed, there is no effect of this space environment, but these activities to encourage students to know what is the space environment condition. So we prepare after receiving this sheet. We will make the public lecture to explain what is the purpose of this program, and we explain also the condition of the space environment. Mainly of these activities to encourage students the space-mindedness spirit of the students. They know what the experiment in the space laboratory SISS, and this plant is just a symbol of this activity to encourage students to know the space environment. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions?
Regarding the meteoroid correction, the mission on the space on the JAM, so are you investigating the relation between the solar activity and some of the meteoroid, and is it correct understanding?
Yes. We use the meteor radar to detect the meteor flux. From this analysis, I conclude that there is the relation between the meteor flux and the solar activity. So I make the hypothesis maybe this also there is the distribution in the space environment concerning the meteoroid. Also there is the fluctuation related to space related to solar activity. So if there is the data from the external exposed facility of JAM, maybe there is the detection of the particle, a kind of particle sensor to detect the variation of the meteorite. Maybe such kind of data is very important to compare with the meteorite.
Thank you. You most on the when I'm going to retrieve the APRSAF from the exposure safety, SEDA AP. When are you going to retrieve? It's already done?
Yeah, APRSAF, yeah, it's already done in the space shuttle flight. In the beginning of this year, I remember, it was exposed about 1 year at the SEDA AP. I will check, but it's already retrieved by space shuttle flight in the previous space shuttle flight.
So those data that can be provided to the LAPAN people?
Well, maybe now the researchers are taking the report.
And also the JAXA had conducted the same kind of experiment on Russian service module for about more than 5 years. So JAXA already have some the result from that experiment on the service module. So if you have some...
Yes, you're right. I think it was done several years ago, so the report should be available now.
Yeah.
I will check whether that's true.
Yeah.
Are there any questions or comments?